Got to Pass-a-Grille. It's a super negative low tide. I've never seen the water this far out. Usually the water's right up to the rocks. There's lots of shellers out here looking for treasures. So let's see what we can find. Just stumbled across this pretty big lightning whelk. This one will clean up very nice. It's a nice chocolate. Another tiny horse conch, but he's alive. Super pretty color though. Put him right back. Cute little banded tulip. Oh, there's a hermie in there. This banded tulip is a great color. Look at this beautiful orange horse conch. Oh, he has a hermit crab. Super nice color though. A little tiny orange horse conch. Oh, it has a hermit. So I'll put him back. Oh, beautiful lightning whelk. Oh, this one's empty. Such good color. Nice banded tulip. Nice colors. I think this is a gaudy nautica. Oh yeah. Super cute. I love it. So, little baby ear hiding here. I see a tiny bit of orange peeking out. So many barnacles on it. But it is empty. I can get the barnacles off pretty easy. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, a giant orange horse conch that's completely empty. That is crazy. This giant horse conch is cleaning right at his feet. I'm giving him a bleach bath. So we'll check back. Okay, we're making progress, guys. It's getting cleaner. I'm starting to see some orange come through. It's looking really good. Okay, guys, this giant horse conch is relatively clean. I didn't want to clean it too much because I didn't want it to get all white. I love the brownish orange that's still there. If you guys know a way to clean off the rest without getting rid of the color, please let me. This is just an amazing shell. Really the biggest one that I've seen without anything inside. So